you going to watch me feed the squirrels? Go on. Go look it. I'm going to feed them right now. Yes. I'm going to feed the squirrels. You're going to come. You gonna watch them? Come on, let's take a look. Come on. Come on. Take a look. Yeah, they're gonna come back in a second. Come on, let's look. Let's watch them. Let's watch the squirrels. It's great, right? Oh, here he comes. Oh, is there one in that tree too? There's one in that tree? They're assessing the situation. They're making sure that the killer machine is not outside. And then, oh, here he comes! There he is! Hello, little squirrel. How are you today? Oh, he's fluffy. Oh, look, he's eating a peanut. He's looking at you, and he's eating a peanut. He sees you. He said, look at me. I see you. I'm eating my peanut. Your mama gave me a peanut. I'm gonna eat it in front of you. Oh, and another peanut. He's eating another peanut. He's eating all the peanuts. He's eating all the peanuts. Yes, he is. What do you see? There it is. He's eating the peanuts. Oh, he's so cute. He's a cute little guy. That one. Oh, here comes another one. Here he comes. He says, oh boy, there's peanuts out. I heard them hit the ground. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Come and get some peanuts. Do you see the squirrel? And then there's a little one over there. And they made a really big mess on the ground because they knocked over the bird feeder last night. Is this how you spend your days? It's very